Hey there, fellow travelers and relaxation enthusiasts. Today, we're thrilled to take you on a virtual journey to a true paradise of relaxation and indulgence. We're diving into the lap of luxury at the one and only Hyatt Zilara Cancun. So grab your favorite beverage, kick back, and let's explore the epitome of 5-star hospitality in 2023. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our grand escapes. Now let's get started. Location: where Caribbean dreams come true. Picture this: turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see, soft white sands hugging the coastline, and a gentle sea breeze carrying your worries away. Welcome to the Hyatt Zilara Cancun, where every view is a postcard-worthy masterpiece. Nestled in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, this adults-only all-inclusive haven promises an escape like no other. With its prominent location on the widest stretch of beach, you're in for a treat that blends traditional Mexican warmth with a casual yet intimate setting. It's no wonder this place is a dream destination for those seeking a piece of Caribbean paradise. Pools, a refreshing oasis. Time to take a dip into pure relaxation. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun boasts a selection of outdoor pools that'll leave you absolutely spoiled for choice. Whether you're looking to unwind under swaying palm trees or bask in the sun's embrace, this resort has it all. And if you're in the mood for an extra dose of pampering, their enhanced pool and beach butler service ensures that you're never without your favorite refreshment. Trust me folks, there's no better way to cool off and rejuvenate than by lounging by these stunning pools. Rooms: luxury redefined. Prepare to have your breath taken away every morning you wake up. The spacious suites at Hyatt Zilara Cancun offer breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, ensuring that you're greeted by nature's beauty at every moment. Immerse yourself in elegance and comfort, where modern amenities meet traditional charm. Whether you're sipping on your morning coffee while overlooking the sea or sinking into plush bedding after a day of exploration, your suite will be your personal haven of tranquility. Dining: a feast for the senses. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. With not one, not two, but 6 specialty restaurants, the Hyatt Zilara Cancun is a food lover's paradise. From exquisite international flavors to mouth-watering Mexican delicacies, there's something to satisfy every craving. And let's not forget about those refreshing cocktails at the 5 different bars spread throughout the resort. With each bite and sip, you're treated to a symphony of flavors and aromas that'll leave you craving for more. Spa: rejuvenation beyond compare. Time to pamper yourself to the fullest. The spa at Hyatt Zilara Cancun isn't just any spa, it's Cancun's only ocean view spa. Imagine indulging in luxurious treatments while gazing out at the endless horizon. From rejuvenating massages to revitalizing facials, this spa is a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. So if you're looking to unwind and let go of all your stresses, this is the place to be. Activities: endless adventures await. Adventure seekers, this one's for you. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun doesn't just offer relaxation, it's a hub of endless activities and entertainment. Dive into the depths with introductory scuba diving lessons, embrace your creative side with craft making and wine tasting classes, or simply soak up the sun on the private beach area. And if you're up for some nighttime fun, the resort comes alive with live nightly entertainment, theme parties, and cultural shows. Trust me, you'll never have a dull moment here. Conclusion: join the retreat. And there you have it, dear viewers, a glimpse into the world of luxury, relaxation, and unforgettable experiences at the Hyatt Zilara Cancun in 2023. From the breathtaking location to the pools, rooms, dining, spa, and activities that cater to your every whim, this resort is a true haven for those seeking a grand retreat. So if you're ready to escape the ordinary and embrace a world of opulence, hit that subscribe button below and like this video.